Hey folks, Adam here. We're looking at this. It's from Creality. This is the Falcon A1 Pro, and whether you're loading it straight from the front right here, or you're using it as a top loader, this is the easiest to set up, most impressive engraver and cutter that I've had a chance to use. It's got a 20-watt blue and 2-watt IR laser. This thing is perfect. Now those two modules can be purchased separately. It works with over 350 materials, and you can see how much fun we've been having engraving all day. And the nice thing about this, compared to other engravers, is as soon as we pulled it out of the box, we started engraving. It was easy to use. We just went in the menu, started printing out some of the samples, and yeah, this thing worked like a charm. Then we were able to use the app on our phone. We were able to start loading additional different things. And yeah, this is really smart. It's got a smart camera with autofocus to make sure you're getting exactly what you want engraved. It has a nice protective layer here to where you never have to worry about your eyes. You're not hoping that your cheap eyewear is going to save you from issues. And yeah, real-time monitoring, safety, shields, and 3x faster. It did this in a matter of, I don't know, a minute. It was quick. It just seemed to go by so fast. Now this is all in one. It's a compact module. And again, compared to previous modules, this was so easy to set up. We put it out of the box, pulled it out of the box, took off some of the styrofoam and stuff, plugged it in, and it was practically ready to go. Now, they've got a great set of software. That CraftSeek allows you to print on the go, even if you're a novice. So if you're somebody who's looking to set up maybe an online store, if you're somebody who's looking to customize for your wedding or for a bar or for signage, this is perfect for you, and it's perfect for me. You might even be able to make that Plinko board you've been looking to design. So what else is great about it is, again, compared to the competition, Creality has practically zero defect rate. A lot of companies selling engravers are selling an inferior product that don't cut like they should, that don't work with all the materials, or just, don't install right. Where this, 100% of the time, you're going to be able to get it to install easily and conveniently, and they're there to support you every single time. Of course, folks, it's got that 2-watt red laser module that makes it easy to position exactly where you want to work. That red laser tells you kind of, here's where we're starting, and it gives you an easy workspace and make sure that you're engraving or cutting on the exact right spot. Then, of course, there's that blue diode laser. Creality's primary laser engravers use high-powered 20-watt lasers. These blue diode lasers are highly efficient for cutting and engraving a wide range of materials, including wood, acrylic, and leather. And folks, you know how much I love my Falcon A1, but the Pro does autofocus. It has easy app integration. It has flame detection and that beautiful touchscreen that we seem to love so much. So this really does make it stand out compared to even the other Falcon A1. So the Pro really gives you quite a bit of advantages that you don't have elsewhere. So folks, I love that this device is great for making gifts for your friends, and hopefully throughout the video we'll show you some different engraving, as well as we'll show you some of the projects we've worked on in the past. Really a beautiful company and a beautiful design. The big LED screen is easy to work with, and they even give you a very nice instruction manual. So this is straightforward, out of the box, ready to go. I also just have to give a shout out to the company themselves. Whenever I worry about, gosh, is this going to be hard to set up? I don't have to worry about it when it comes to Creality. They just make stuff that's easy, convenient, and affordable, okay? Now with a plethora of projects, all the fun that you can have, wood, acrylic, metal, whatever it may be, they've just done a great job making a product that's affordable, lightweight, and something that you could start a business with. Set one of these up and suddenly you're running your own store, you're your own boss, and you're having a lot of fun making fun things, even as gifts for your friends. So it's time right now for you to go ahead and pick one up. You will not be disappointed in this brand. You will not be disappointed in the Creality Falcon A1 Pro. What are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Thank you so much for joining us and supporting us. We love you. Adios, amigos.